Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at another car show up in Woodbridge on a weekday night. The mall is parking lot here. Quite a few cars coming and going. And we got an Acura NSX driving out here. And there must be some kind of a Fiat Alpha special event or gathering. There's a bunch of Alfa Romeos and a bunch of Fiats here. Let's just take a walk through. You see some of the cars here. Not too busy tonight. So it'll be a little bit easier to film without the big crowds around. Corner here. Beside this Ferrari 308 GTS. The Alpha there and a Ferrari.
And she was doing well. Like she was.
Oh, we got one of them pulling out here. See if we can catch that in a second. Actually, maybe I'll go down that aisle before we miss it. Ferrari beside this Corvette CA and a Rapid Blue. Don't see the red seats in these very often with that color. And we got a couple more Alfa Romeos on the other side here. Camaro SS coming, another Corvette CA coming down there. Yeah, this Tesla's lowered. Another Fiat over here. AMG 63.
If my watch is always.
Ferrari 458 Spider. Fiat 500L. 6-speed. Another Ferrari. Couple more Ferraris here. And a Mercedes, AMG, a newer Ford Bronco. head over to the other side of the show. Lots more cars over there. Got a Corvette C706 here in white, a little bit of black. And the cars are fairly spread out, so let's just kind of walk down the center. Most of them are to my left here and over. There might be a few in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a couple down here. Got a Corvette Mustang here. Another C7, Z06. Beside that Mustang convertible, and we got a VW Scirocco over here. A couple motorcycles rolling in. There's an older Mercedes down there. We got a Porsche, Targa, Ford, GTS, Wrangler, older Mercedes 300 diesel, turbo diesel. And let's go over another row here. Let's go to the right here. Yeah, there's a whole row of supercars coming up. Stay tuned for that. We got a Challenger over here. 850i BMW. And we got a bunch of, we got a Jaguar, a Porsche on the end here. It's starting to get a little busy. People coming and going here. All right, now we're getting into the row that has some of the supercars. And let's go down the right side first here. Look at this. It's pretty awesome. And we got a McLaren. Newer Aston Martin. We got a Porsche here. A couple more McLarens. Crowd around here.
Oh, yeah.
And one of those McLarens I noticed was in the Spade Rally. Sounds familiar. A couple more Alfa Romeos here. They must be part of that meetup. Lamborghini. Is that another C8 Corvette? And we got a Camaro down here. We'll just go over to the other side. I think that's it over here. We got an older Corvette. And a couple more Lamborghinis. A Ferrari. Another Ferrari. Oh yeah, look at this McLaren Mercedes. Wow, that thing's long. Look at that. And another Ferrari. Another white C8 Corvette. Mini Cooper coming in here. Got another Porsche. We just got a couple more rows, and then we can probably wrap things up. Fairly good turnout tonight. The weather's really warm. It's about 32 Celsius, probably around 90 Fahrenheit. Lamborghini, Nissan GTR, another Porsche. And we got another McLaren here. Down there, but let's take a look at this Lamborghini. Thinking this is the Aventador. Yeah, the SVJ. Wow, this thing's awesome. BMW Cherokee, Cadillac, V-Series, a couple Mercedes, and another Porsche, Mercedes. Alright, we got a couple more rows here, we're almost done. Actually, I don't know if there's anything in... Yeah, a couple cars in this row here, I guess. And then we're starting to get into some of the domestics over here. We've got a couple of Mustangs. Yeah, we'll take a look at those Corvettes over there at the end. Mitsubishi over here. Range Rover rolling through. There's the SVJ. Take a look at these. Could be a bunch of Corvettes over here. We'll take a quick look at these, and I think we'll wrap things up. Go down the other side here, and I think that's going to wrap things up, unless something interesting rolls in a little bit later. I'll try and catch that for you guys.
Rented a Mustang.
Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Again, if anything else interesting comes up, I'll add it to the end of the video. Otherwise, I'll say goodbye here. Remember, just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you want to see more of these car shows. And if you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like. Appreciate it. Thank you. See you guys in the next one. And I think we have the SVJ leaving here, so I'll just add that to the end of the video for you guys. Beside Lamborghini Urus just pulled in. Everybody's got their cameras out. Even got a drone flying up there. There we go. Yeah, it's starting to get a little busier here. All right, I'm going to wrap things up, guys, I think. And I'll see you in the next one. And just one more car. We've got a late 80s Buick Riviera, I think, unless it's in early 90s. I think this is they switched body styles in 86. So I'm feeling this is maybe 86, 7, 8, somewhere around there. Can't even remember last time I've seen one of these. Wow, this is in pretty good shape. And these are one of the earlier cars with the digital dash and the digital climate control. And the radio all into, I think it was into a green screen.